Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Louis here. We are this weekend in LENK. This is one of the best hidden gems in Switzerland, in the Berner Oberland. We are going to show you amazing things in this video. This is where Swiss people escape the crowd, and I know a lot of you ask where we go, and this is really where we go on vacation. I love this place and I'm looking forward to sharing it with you. Let's go! So let's take our train to LENK and go to the Lenkerhof.
We often get asked where Swiss people go on vacation, and LENK is certainly one of these destinations. It's actually just 1 hour from Interlaken by car or an hour and 45 minutes by train, but it feels like a world away. Here you won't have tourists, it will really just be Swiss locals, and it is such a beautiful place to discover. We arrived in the village and there was actually a little cow parade going on. It just felt so authentic and traditional. We're really looking forward to a weekend here, but this is a great option, especially as a little add-on to an Interlaken trip. In this video, you will see that we are staying in the Lenkerhof Gourmet Spa Resort. This is a 5-star hotel which is frequented by Swiss from across the country. It is such a beautiful weekend getaway. They have an incredible spa, an amazing restaurant, and the rooms are absolutely gorgeous. We have a discount code for you, which is on the screen now, so make sure to check it out.
So we're going through the hotel room, and we knew this hotel was family friendly, but it's beyond. Like tiny slippers, those are too big for her, but they're still so cute. And they have a little bathrobe. Oh my god. Oh, turn around. So cute. And the products in the bathroom, they had a little doll. You see, she already loves it.
I love this.
Yeah, and then in the bathroom, they have little, it's really cute. Really, really nice. It just feels good when you travel with a little baby. Sometimes it's like a little uncomfortable and they just make you feel really welcome.
Really? Alright, we can already hear the sound of the waterfall. And this is the beautiful valley of LENK. And next to the bus stop, you have the Simmental with a beautiful mountain in the backdrop. And walking a little bit above LENK, and it's just so pretty. Look at this. And this is LENK from above.
So we're headed back to our hotel for the afternoon, and one of the reasons we love the Lenkerhof and keep coming back to it, and so many Swiss people love it for a weekend getaway, is the spa. As you can see, they have an absolutely gorgeous indoor pool, a huge outdoor pool with incredible views on the valley. But what's really special is the 7 Sources Spa, which has 7 different saunas and hammams. So everything ranging from Finnish saunas to alpine saunas with all kinds of different herbs to scent the air. It's really such a wonderful experience, and we are so happy to be able to offer you a coupon code. With the code FA6TRAVEL, you can get 3 nights for the price of 2, which is a really great deal in a 5-star hotel. So hope you take advantage of it. For dinner, we're headed to the Gouret Restaurant. It's about 15 minutes away with bus 281. We recommend coming for sunset because, as you can see, it offers an absolutely amazing panorama on the valley. This has a menu of traditional classic Swiss dishes, so that means you know we're going to be enjoying some fondue. So let's head inside.
Cheers. And this is the morning. Beautiful views and a nice breakfast table. So yeah, we are walking towards the LENK lake, and just the beauty of that end of the valley that is so nice there. And by the lake there is also a whole kids area that is actually huge, and there's lots of cool things, very cute. And you even have a cute little train. And so here's the lake, nice reflection actually of these beautiful hills and mountains in it. It's called LENKERHOF. You can go around pretty easily. And yeah, it just adds a nice touch to the scenery. So I'm in front of the hotel here, and I'm going to go right. here to take the gondola to go to the light alley, and then I'm going to walk a little bit. But I left Alexis and our daughter to sleep for a nap, and I'm gonna have fun and see what I can do up there. So I arrived at the top of the mountain with the gondola, and I'm gonna go see the little lake before going up and exploring. There's a little lake or reservoir here. Nice color actually. And beautiful valley of Lenk. And on the other side actually you have Adelboden. Look at these views. Look at this. Alright, I always want to do a bit more, so let's go to Stübleni, which is there, because apparently it looks like it's gonna be a nice view. And we see actually the little village of Launen, if I'm not mistaken. And if you continue further there, you are going to Gstad. And so looking back, I think I was all the way up there. And that was a really nice view, either this or over there. But beautiful view on the other side of the valley, so I do recommend this. And now, heading back to Bettelberg, and we are now going to go do some mountain scooter. All right, let's go. We'll be following the route 101 and going down. And this route is actually very cool because you can see the Ifigenalpfälle, if I pronounce them correctly, these waterfalls there. We saw the Simmental, but not these ones, and these are beautiful also, so very nice views. I mean, look at this valley. This is amazing. Ifigenal. And here I am. That was actually amazing. I recommend anyone who, probably the adults that can go into these type of scooters, kind of bikes, to do it. You have an amazing view in Ifigenalp, and you can go very fast, you can go slow. I loved it.
So in addition to the spa, one of the main reasons to stay at the Lenkerhof is their gourmet restaurant on site. Each night they'll have different options of dishes to select from to make your own tasting menu. It is so much fun to try all different dishes with different inspirations, and we absolutely love coming here. The meal is just incredible.
You have in front of you a very happy Louis, because this is one of my favorite cheese buffet in a way. You have so many cheeses and it's so good, and the plate is not big enough for all the cheese.
This is our classic. It's raspberry. This one we have the choco whiskey ganache. Then we go with the strawberry and chili in the middle.
And we are finishing with a sauterne, which is a very nice sweet wine. So cheers to that, and see you tomorrow. So this morning I'm going to go on a little morning walk. It should be about an hour and a half max from the hotel. And I'm going to follow a river and go see a canyon and a beautiful waterfall. So let's go. And there are some pretty nice views along the way, with still the nice sound of the river. And after 30 minutes walking, so not much and really accessible, you have this nice waterfall, and there's going to be canyons afterwards, I think. So we are now on the top of the waterfall. We were down there, and look at the view you have.
So last up on our itinerary for this weekend, we are headed to the Stockhorn, which is a local mountain that is right in the heart of the Berner Oberland, but tends to not be visited by tourists, which means you have it all to yourself. To get here, it takes about 45 minutes from Lenk. You will get here via Zweisimmen and get to the Erlenbach station.
And we are going to take a second gondola to the Stockhorn over there. they have a whole panoramic terrace. You can see really a lot of the Alps. You can see the gondola that goes down. You can see actually here the Lake Thun. And yeah, it's just really pretty and different than what you get to see when you are in the region of Interlaken. Cheers! You have a beautiful terrace to eat, and now this is only 5 minutes away. We're going to walk to the top to have some even better views.
So we made it to the top, and it's cool because there's way fewer people here on like a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and it's just an hour or so from Interlaken in the Berner Oberland Pass. This is one of those hidden gems of Switzerland that the Swiss people know about, but the tourists haven't seemed to gotten around to, so we really recommend it.
I have it in my guide of the hidden gems in Interlaken actually. See actually through to almost Bern, you see Thun here, the Lake Thun, and this is the whole sort of Interlaken region. This is the Nissen, that Swiss pyramid, and you have two lakes, one here and one over there, and you have really amazing views. I like this place a lot. Alright, thank you so much for watching. This was a blast. I love coming back here. This is a hidden gem that is just so beautiful. You feel very authentic when being here as a Swiss also. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
If you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.